Hey guys, Glen Murray Online. How are you? Happy Saturday. Today is Affiliate Marketing 101, step-by-step beginner's tutorial. I'm just going to break it down for you. I did a training for a Nigerian networking marketing team yesterday morning, and I really realized that there's a lot of things that people get little bits of it, but they don't get the big picture. And there's no fault involved. It's just like you're on the fly. You're always learning, and you think you've kind of learned a lot of it, but you need to know the basics. And once you have the basics, then you can just blow it wide open. Okay, so my name's Glen Murray. Hit the subscribe button. My channel is about making money online, how to do affiliate programming or programs, and how to make passive income online. All right, affiliate marketing 101. What is affiliate marketing first? Affiliate marketing is simple, guys. It's just basically someone else builds a product. Maybe they build a physical product, they make a digital product, they do a training, maybe they're a coach, whatever it is. Maybe they're a travel agent, and basically you just recommend them, right? You recommend that program, that product, whatever it is. You don't really sell it, you just recommend it. And if the people buy that product using your identifiable link, because you're going to give them a link, then you would get paid a commission. And the commissions vary from like as little as 2 or 3% all the way up to 60-70%, depending on the products, right? You can make a little money or you can make a ton of money. Now, where is a ton of money made? Where is that ton of money made? Well, there's two ways to do it. You can either build a blog and spend a ton of time and build up authority in that blog and sell niche products. So let's say you have a blog about camping, right? And you're just you're putting up 2 blog posts a day for 1 or 2 years, right? You are the authority. Everyone is going to your blog to learn about camping or hiking trails or whatever it is. Well, there you could be selling a ton of stuff through Amazon, tents, hiking boots. You could actually sell through multiple, not just Amazon. You could be selling through multiple different affiliate programs, selling camping and hiking gear, boats, maybe hunting stuff. Maybe you've got a whole section on hunting. Where's the best kayaking, canoeing? Maybe you're selling boats. You could sell pretty much anything once you get the authority up. Does it take a lot of work? Yeah. It takes a ton of work to get there, right? So that way you could do it. But then once it gets to a certain level, it's just passive income, right? You just continue to make the blog posts. You could even outsource it and just continue to make the content for your blog. That's one way. Another way is selling higher ticket programs, right? Selling training programs that cost a bit more, that pay a higher commission. They're digital. That's what I really like, because it's people are looking for education. When you're dealing in physical products, there's the commissions are much lower. You need a ton of traffic, a ton of volume, as opposed to doing a coaching or a training or especially like a subscription based marketing program where people join and they pay a subscription every month, and they get trained every single month, and they continue to do that. Why I like that is you don't need a ton of traffic. You don't even need really an authority blog on it. You can actually purchase traffic, or you can do videos on YouTube like I do and then promote them. And guys, look at my views. I don't get a ton of views. Every day I get leads and sales from my YouTube channel. But some of my videos get 500 views. Some of my videos get 15, 20, 25 views, right? It's slowly building. It's always sort of building as I continue to make the content, but I don't need a ton of views to make sales from my YouTube channel, which is pretty cool. As opposed to that blog that I was talking about, like a camping blog, you would need a ton of traffic. Again, both ways, right? Like I'm spending my time building content on YouTube. Don't get a lot of views, not all the time, but I get leads and sales all the time. If I only got a few views on my blog, it wouldn't come up in the search engines very often, and I wouldn't get as much traffic, because you need a ton more traffic for people to buy through a website than to buy through a YouTube video. Because what's happening is here we're developing a relationship as I'm speaking to you. So when I'm recommending that link, you can see me, you can see the passion in my face, my eyes, I'm a real person. When you're reading a blog, yeah, you might kind of connect with the person, but to click that ad to buy something, not quite as good as video, and that's why video is so powerful. So how do you get started? What is the step-by-step process when you're a beginner? Like this is going to be the beginner tutorial of affiliate marketing, right? This is affiliate marketing 101. The first thing that so many people do is they run over to ClickBank and they get a free account, or they go over to Amazon and they get a free account, and they get a link, and they go put that link everywhere, and they don't get any sales, and they're like, oh, this sucks, this is a scam, it doesn't work, blah 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 blah, right? Because you don't know who your target market is. You're not getting the kind of traffic you actually need. You think it's just, you've been lied to by gurus saying, yeah, you can make millions, just take this link and you can, and you'll see the testimonials like, yeah, $50,000 in 30 days or whatever. Guys, that's not real. It's a grind. It's a true grind. You have to be committed. You have to believe in the process, and you need to be trained. You have to understand marketing, because if you don't understand marketing, everything you do is going to be for naught. You're just going to be wasting your time and money if you don't understand marketing. Yes, you will see tons of videos where, oh, it's so easy, it's push button, it's simple, it's just, 1 2 3, all you got to do. Yes, are there systems like that? Are there systems that a person can land, they put their email in, and you can make multiple commissions from them? Absolutely. But you need to know the part to get them there. You need to learn that marketing part. And that marketing part takes time. It's not like, say you're going to go run a marathon. You're not going to run a marathon tomorrow. You're going to train, you're going to learn how to control your pace. You're going to learn all these things, right? You're going to build up to that marathon. You're probably going to train for it for 6 or 9 months before you actually go run your first marathon. You're probably going to do some 10Ks before that. You're going to do some 5Ks before that. Why I'm talking about this is I'm just started running again, and I bought new running shoes today. Nike Pegasus. I should put an Amazon link for the shoes in there. Anyway, so when you're doing affiliate marketing, and this is basically affiliate marketing 101, guys, you need to learn marketing. What is the marketing steps? You need to create content that attracts the people, your target, to you, right? This is the most important key, and this is what so many people don't do. They just put a link out there. Don't go put a link out there. You need to create content to attract the people. If you're just throwing links out there, you're basically, you don't know who you're going to get. You don't know who's going to see that link, right? You just don't know, and that's not a smart way to market. You will fail. You need to go, okay, I'm going to go after people like Glen. I want like older dads with gray hair that live in Canada or the US, and they're online marketers. That's who I'm going to go after. So you start creating content that I'm interested in looking for. When I'm online, I'm looking for that content, right? I'm like, oh, Facebook just shut me down. Oh, Facebook won't let me post a link. How to post a link on Facebook, right? Boom. There's some content. I'm like, oh, that's cool, right? Oh, this guy's making me an offer that I can learn more about Facebook marketing. Click. Oh, it's a $47 program for Facebook marketing. Cool. Click. Buy. Right? That's marketing, right? Okay. So what do you need to do to get started? The first thing is, I want you to go down below. There's a link, and it's going to say $7 marketing course you must do. Guys, you need to do this. It's so important. Get the fundamentals. Trust me, guys, you need to do this. This is going to give you the fundamentals of marketing. And then from there, you can go market anything you want. I have many, many more programs that I have multiple streams of income, and I have many more programs that you can do. But this is where you need to start. This is going to give you the foundation to do it right. You're going to start out by doing it right, by having a landing page, by building a list, right? Before you send them to offer. Learn how to make a bridge page. Like you need to learn these things, guys. You need to learn how to brand yourself, how to tell a story, how to keep people intrigued, how to be exciting, and basically get people to want to purchase or work with you or purchase from you or take your recommendation, whatever it is. See, right now, I'm recommending this link. I highly recommend it. If you're this far in the video, you're probably going, Glen's got some good stuff to say. I'm going to take his recommendation. I'm going to click the link below. That's it, guys. That is basically affiliate marketing 101, right? This is the step by steps that you need to do. This is simply a beginner's tutorial. It's so easy. It's basically create content, figure out who your target market is, create content, learn the fundamentals of marketing, right? And market to that target market. Market to that market. Does that make sense? Market to the market. Oh yes, so that's what I have for you today. It really is that simple. So this is just your first step. I know you might be going, oh, where's the step by step? The step by step is I just explained it to you. There's no mystery. Like that is truly it, right? Oh, I was going to do it on whiteboard. This is. I'll give you the bonus here. This, right? So most people get a link, right? And they send traffic to it, right? Right? They send traffic to the link and nothing happens, right? That traffic's gone. Now, a marketer goes traffic to landing page to link, right? If you miss this part, you will fail, because what happens here is you get their email, and even if they don't buy here, you start emailing, right? You keep doing that and you can sell them forever. And if they buy on one of these emails, you know they're buyers. They're going to stick on your list. You're going to be able to sell them all this stuff. I guess it's that simple. That is it. Don't try to overcomplicate it all. Learn marketing basics. Make sure you always have a landing page, and yeah, go promote ClickBank and Amazon, but there's so much competition there, guys. As a beginner, you're not going to be able to send the traffic that you need unless you spend a ton of money. Go find a different program to promote. One of the programs I recommend, some of the links below, check them all out. Most of them you can check out for free, or there's a couple bucks to do a trial membership kind of thing, and just see if they work for you. All right, guys, take care. Have a great Saturday, and I will see you later.